BACAT taught me how to interface with a team. It taught me a lot of additional skills apart from video, which is my love. It opened my horizons for what's possible and gave me skills that I can always rely on.
They train you to be a well-rounded individual. It is something that I don't see a lot of programs with, and it's something that I've learned to appreciate, and I've become a better person career-wise because of it.
The BACAT program is rounded because it prepares students to not only be technically equipped, they have hands-on and practical knowledge. Students become more media conscious, as well as more culturally aware based on the nature of what is done in the program.
I always knew that I wanted to be a part of or be in media in some way or form, and I saw this based on what the course was offering as the perfect opportunity.
I'm a public relations officer. I could easily take a job as a journalist or as a photographer because BACAT does not focus on one skill.
Now the thing here at UTech is that in the BACAT program, we train students to operate not only in the traditional media, but also in new media and to fuse them together. That is how the landscape has changed over the years, and that's how we are preparing students.
BACAT is an excellent program, and I recommend everyone to come.
Applicants, just come to BACAT. You guys won't regret it. I don't regret anything. I'm having a great time, and if you guys are around the world or anywhere that you guys are, just come to BACAT.